Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have taught you each and every concept regarding reflection. So let's start solving NCERT questions. So firstly, I am teaching you how to solve in-text question. In-text, some consider it blue box questions. Okay. So in-text question, that is based on reflection topic. Okay, so let's start page number 168, question number 1. First question is, define the term principal focus of a concave mirror. Means we have to define principal focus of which? Of concave mirror. This one is concave mirror. This one is a pole, focus, center of curvature. What is focus? We have to define. It is a point on principal axis. When rays coming parallel to principal axis, meet at a point, this point is known as principal focus. So after reflection, it will go towards principal axis, another will go towards principal axis, they will meet at a point. This point is known as principal focus. Why principal? Because it is lying on principal axis. And next question is, radius of curvature is given to be 20 centimeter. R is radius of curvature, that is 20 centimeter. We have to find out its focal length. What is the formula for focal length? Focal length is half of radius. Radius is 20 by 2, that is 10 centimeter. So what is the focal length? That is 10 centimeter. And what is the question statement? That is spherical mirror. It is not mentioned whether it is convex or concave, only spherical mirror. So I am writing here 10 centimeter without any sign. Okay. Next question, question number 3 of the same page, page number 168 is, name a mirror which can give erect and enlarged. I am telling you in the depth what it is. Erect image can be produced by plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. But plane mirror same size, convex mirror always diminished size. Diminished means what? That is small in size. But concave mirror, it produce enlarged, larger than that of object, enlarged size. Okay, so the result is concave mirror. So question number 4 is, why do we prefer convex mirror as a rear view mirror? Convex mirror as a rear view mirror. What do you mean by rear view mirror? A mirror that is used to see back image. It means the image of vehicles which are at the back. That is known as rear view mirror. Why we prefer convex? Because it always produces erect image. It means vehicle behind us erect. Diminished, small in size. Due to small in size, wider field of view. It means very far apart. The vehicles which are too far from the considered vehicle are visible to us. So wider field of view. Okay, so erect, diminish and wider field of view, these properties can be obtained by convex mirror. That's why we use this. Now Let's start page number 171, question number 1. Now again we have given radius of curvature, that is 32 centimeter, radius of curvature, and radius of curvature is denoted by r and its value is 32 centimeter. We have to find out its focal length. What is the formula for focal length? F, that is equal to r by 2. So 32 by 2, that will be equal to 16 centimeter. We have been provided with radius of curvature, so we have to find out focal length, and mirror name is convex. If mirror is convex, focal length is positive, so I am mentioning here plus 16 centimeter. But in this it was mentioned only spherical mirror. Spherical mirror means what? Neither convex nor concave, so I am not mentioning here sign. Now a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image. 3 times. 3 times means what? Magnification is 3. But image is real. Real image is always inverted. If image is inverted, magnification is negative. So for real and inverted image, magnification is negative. Okay. 3 times enlarged. Magnified real image of an object that is placed at 10 centimeter. It means object distance u is 10 centimeter. As per sign convention, u is always negative, so it is 10 centimeter with minus sign. We have to find out image. V is to be find out. What is the V? V means location, position of image. What is M? M is equal to minus V upon U. We have to find out V. So V is equal to minus M into U. We have to substitute the values minus. What is M? M is minus 3. What is U? U is minus 10. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So overall minus 30 centimeter. So image is located at 30 centimeter. But minus means what? Minus means if this one is mirror, image is not located in forward direction, it is located in backward direction. It means in front of the mirror. In front of mirror. Okay. So image is located in front of the mirror. Why I am mentioning? Because location is asked. So distance is 30 centimeter, but it is in front of the mirror. So it is all about, that is NCERT in-text question regarding reflection. In next video, I will teach you NCERT exercise questions based on reflection.